Hey everybody, this is Audrey Williams. I'm going to show you how to sign in to iTunes U using a student managed Apple ID. First thing you need to do is find iTunes U on the student iPad and tap on it. It's going to ask you if you would like for iTunes U to send you notifications. Total teacher preference. I'm going to choose Don't Allow. Then I'm going to tap on Get Started. If you notice in the top right corner, there's a little circle with an outline of a person's head there. You need to tap on that circle. Choose Use Existing Apple ID. You're going to type in the Managed Apple ID. So in most cases, it's the child's first name, last name. I was typing what I was saying. Sorry, just kidding. At Apple ID. .rale.k12.wv.us. All of that is located near the center of their card. The password is the temporary password located in the bottom left corner. Most locations, this password is a combination of letters and numbers. You're going to have to change it in just a few minutes just so you have a heads up and you know. You're going to have a capital letter, a number, and it has to be 8 characters long. So you could use your school name, your class name, your teacher's last name, whatever you choose. Make sure the first letter is capitalized. There's a number at the end or somewhere in there. And I would recommend you have students change all their passwords to the same one. So when they forget, you can tell them what it is. At this particular location, they use a 4-digit number. There's only, I think, maybe one school that does it this way in the county. Everybody else has the 8 characters. So you'll know which one you have, a code, a 4-digit code, or 8 characters when you look at your student's Apple ID. Okay, we're on the right track. So we've put in the Managed Apple ID and the temporary password. Now we have to choose Settings. Occasionally on this screen, a verification code will pop up. The verification codes came with the Apple IDs, and they're on cards. They look exactly the same, except in the bottom left corner, it will say verification code instead of temporary password. I would keep the paper with the verification codes and just give them to students as needed so they don't have to fool with 2 pieces of paper. So I'm going to put in the old password. And I'm going to change the password. Remember, I have a code. Most of you are going to have the 8 characters, so ours are going to be a little different. After I type it in, I'm going to choose Change. And when you see the child's name at the top of the page, you know they are successfully signed in. So you'll need to go back to iTunes U to add their courses. Sometimes this pops up. They can put their password in again, or if their name shows up in the top corner, they can tap cancel and it'll just go away. Let's see if it recognizes him. I'm going to go out, go back in, and his name shows up. So since he's already signed in, the courses he's already signed into will automatically pop up on any device that I sign him into. So if you want to add more courses, if your bookshelf is blank, you would tap the blue plus sign in the top left corner, choose Enroll in a Course, and this is where you would put your course code. Just going to type a code in so you have an example. Let's do, I'll do 3rd grade. He's in 2nd grade, but just so you know how to do it. Let's see, CPR, CLC, BTF. So these course codes, you don't have to type them in all capital letters, and they don't need the dashes. It's just how they are given in the courses, and it's a little easier for students to pay attention to 3 of the codes. But just let them know they're not case sensitive and they don't need the dashes. After they've typed in the enroll code, if they choose OK, it's going to ask them if they want to join this course, so they need to choose agree. And that is all they do. Say you get the wrong course in, you need to delete it. If you pull down on my courses, choose edit, tap the course you want to delete, and then choose delete on the right hand side. It will ask you if you're sure you want to delete. Choose delete again, and it is gone. If you have any problems, feel free to contact me for any help. Have a great day.